Welcome to the Complete Boomi Bootcamp 2026. Episode 1, Getting Started. And this is our agenda. Episode 1, Getting Started. What is Boomi? How this course works. Sign up for a free trial. Log in and explore. Next steps. What is Boomi? Boomi is a cloud-based integration platform as a service that companies can use to connect applications and systems with each other, providing tools to convert and exchange data using multiple formats and pre-built connectors. How this course works. This course is designed for IT professionals who want to learn Boomi in order to develop solutions in the field of data integration, or simply to get to know Boomi. We will focus on practical exercises on the Boomi platform so that you can develop solutions under realistic conditions. Only a few PowerPoint slides. Therefore, the first step will be to obtain a free Boomi trial. Sign up for a free trial. Open up this link https://boomi.com/trial. Start your free trial, enter your first name, last name, and your business email address. Hit the Get Started button. Now add some details. Where do you work? Your company name and your job title. Hit the Next button. What are your priorities? Here in this example, we deselected Evaluate Boomi. The final step, provide your phone number and the country you live in or working in. After this, you will receive an email to activate your account. Also, you can set up your password. First, login and exploration. Go to https://platform.boomi.com. Log in with your email address and password. Here, you fill in your email address and your password. After this, you hit the Sign In button. The home page shows up, and on the left side we have the different services that Boomi provides to us, for example the integration. Also, you can access this service on the top left side. Also, you can access the resources, the labs, and the settings. But for now, we would like to focus on the integration service. So we click on it. On the left side, we have the dashboard menu, the deploy menu, and the Manage menu. Also, we can open up the sidebar. From there, we can create new things. We can access the process library and the component explorer. This is the component explorer with the root data-coon. There we can create new components, new folders, rename things, and have a look at the permissions. This is the Home tab. There we have different options. For example, we can build-in integration from there. But for now, let's create a folder structure to organize our work. So I suggest we create a folder like 10 integration test for all the processes or the things that we want to test. Then we create another folder for our production stuff. So like 20 integration prod. Then I suggest to create another folder that is used for your personal stuff to just test some things, to test out some things. It's called 30 Sandbox. And finally, I suggest to create a folder for archiving things that are not used anymore. So like 40 archive. As we want to explore things, I suggest to have a subfolder in the sandbox folder. So we create a new folder with my name, john.smith. And there I will create another subfolder, demo. So I can try out some things later. Here we have many options. We click on new component and we'll create a new component. The default component is the process, type process. There are different types. So for example, there's the process, there's the connection, the API service, trading partner, and so on. We will explore all or many of the components later in the later videos and episodes. And for now, we will select a process and create a process. So click on create, and what you will see here, a new tab will open up. The default name is new process. And on the right side, there are the first things to configure. For example, the process options, and mostly important, the type. We have the connector, the trading partner, the data pass-through, But for now, I think we will go with the no data type and click OK. This area here is called process canvas. The process canvas is the place where we will build our process. We can rename our process here. You see, the new name is not applied yet. If we save, the new name of the process is applied. So here on the left side, you see there are also new objects that are created under the folder demo. Now we quickly explore some other menu options like the process options, the extensions. There are different things that we can configure here, but for now we just have a quick look at them. This is the arrange option. Here you have the a function so that you have a little card or a little map in the process canvas that you can use. And here you can create some nodes in or on your process canvas. Next, we have a look at the so-called step palette or steps palette. Here we are on the execute section, and there you have different steps like the map step or set properties, message, agent, notify, program commands, and so on. We will analyze or have a deeper look at them at a later time in the next episode. Then additionally to the execute area, we have the connect menu, where here you can see the recently used connection steps. Here we have some featured connectors and a whopping amount of, I think, 279 connectors. We'll just quickly go through, have a look at them. It's a massive amount of connectors we have here. ACE2 client, with the database connector, disk connector, some FTP connectors, all kinds of Google connectors, HTTP client connector, it's impressive how many connectors Boomi provides us out of the box. Of course, Microsoft connectors, we have a OFTP client connector REST client connector. As I mentioned before, we will explore many of them in the next videos episodes. But just for now, I wanted to show you how many connectors Boomi provides us out of the box. There are technical connectors and application connectors. So here on the top we can search for connectors. For example, searching for the technical connector, database connector, and here you see the results. Then we have a look at the logic area. Here we have a branch, route, claims, decision, exception, stop. Return documents, flow control, business rules, and try catch step we can use. And so what can we do with these steps? The process canvas is a place we can simply drag and drop these steps to the canvas, and then we can configure them, or we must configure them. But most of the time we can just click on OK so that we have the steps on the process canvas, just to show or demonstrate how the process canvas works. So just adding some steps for now. Just click on OK. And you see the steps are attached to some dotted lines, and at the end there's always a plus sign. I think we can connect the steps with each other like this. Maybe just try. Oh, okay. So if you connect one step with another step, the lines turn into solid lines. Of course, I think these connections most probably doesn't make sense for now, but just to showcase or demonstrate to you how they work. So just added a branch step. I think this is to somehow control the flow of the data. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and then we connect the message step to the second branch. Just arrange the steps. Obviously we have to save them before. Oh, okay. Nice. And so we have some stop steps. I think I will connect them just like this to have the steps closed. Rearrange them again and save them for now. Yeah. Looks good. I wonder if we can test this process. To test means to run this process. No, I think I just click on the test button here. What happens? Okay. Requires least at one runtime. Okay, it's obviously we have to create some runtime. Okay, in the cloud, I think it's okay. Choose a okay, integration cloud. I think we go for the test cloud. Now we give it a name. Yeah, I think for now I go with, what should we know? Data Kuhn test. Okay, it's a basic runtime setup. Just click OK, then there are answers. Okay, I will save this for now. Okay, for testing I will choose the runtime I just created. Click OK. Curious what happens. Okay, something is going on. On the left side we see the start step is circling around. Oh, okay. There's an error. Test run for demo process you are attempting. Okay, it doesn't work. But no surprise to me. No. I think just for demonstration how we can build a process that consists of many steps connected. The steps are connected. And I wonder how we can return to our process canvas. Background is gray, means I think it's still on the test mode. We can view the log. Okay, interesting. It's unable to initialize map, it says. Okay, makes sense since we didn't configure our map yet. I think I go with the return arrow. Okay, so clicking on the return arrow will bring us back to our process canvas. Okay, then we have the next steps in episode 2. We will be looking at the process canvas, the step palette, connect, execute logic, build a process, and test the process. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.